If you are a real estate developer, have you realized you have earned profits less than expected in your projects? If yes, are these the reasons? Projects not managed professionally, resources not being optimally utilized, bylaws not being properly followed, execution not as per the drawings, repeated construction activity. If it is a yes to any or all of the above, then only a technical auditor can help you resolve these problems. Now, what is technical audit? Technical audit is a smart revolutionary tool to overcome your problems by recovering hidden costs, reconciliation of material and resources, reducing labor costs, assisting you to know wastages, maintaining safety standards, revealing hidden loss by making timely forecast, anticipating mismanagement, optimum utilization and repeated construction. We, Concept, the design studio, consist of a group of professionally managed technical auditors having a work experience of more than 10 years as technical audit service provider. In this tenure, we have recovered a hidden loss of more than 30 crores for our clients. Our unique selling propositions: doorstep services, team of efficient and experienced technical auditors working parallelly to your running projects, no interference with your day-to-day project activity, strict observance of confidentiality, timely completion of technical audit, practical and feasible solutions. We are ready to serve you with demo and presentation, courtesy Architect Vivek Kumar Sharma. You may reach us at 9451080969 or 9696147211.